Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a holiday themed video. I'm doing a Kikki K haul. So this is like stationery, gift wrap. It's a really cute website. I cannot tell you how many times I filmed hauls from stuff that I purchased from this company, and I never put up any of those videos. So today I'm finally going to do it. No matter how this video comes out, I'm going to upload this. So Kikki K, as I said, is a stationery, crafts, gifts. I think it's a Swedish company. Not 100% sure because sometimes things ship from different countries that are not Sweden, and then I'm just kind of like, I don't know what's going on. But we're just going to jump into it because I ordered a heck of a lot of stuff. So the first thing that I got is something you should have already seen. This is their eraser advent calendar. So every day you open it, you get a little eraser with a gratitude prompt. I did a full unboxing of this one, the 2018 version, as well as the 2017 one. So I'm going to throw that in the cards. This was adorable, and these make great gifts individually and as a whole. I got 2 packs of gift bags. So the first one is their largest size. This says Merry Christmas. It is absolutely adorable. And then the smaller version also says Merry Christmas. So let me give you a little size comparison. Both of them, large, small. These are super cute, and I really like these. I got them last year, so I wanted to pick them again up. I'm gonna save some of the larger items for last, but the next product that I picked up is this notepad. So it has 20 unique designs, and you can see them in the back a little. So these are like animal themed. This is from their sweet collection. They come out with multiple different themed collections, and I always gravitate towards the cute stuff and the sweet stuff. Literally, that's what the collections are called. And this one is super cute, so I picked it up. I also got some embroidered paper clips. I thought these were adorable. So we have some cats and some really cute dogs, and I'm gonna use this with one of the items that I'm about to show you. I'm a sucker for cute greeting cards. I like to have them so that if a need rises, I have something for every occasion. So these are really cute. It's a cat that has like a #1 medal on it, and it says, "Thank you, you're the best." And I thought it was adorable. Next, I have this A5 to-do list pad. This comes with 60 sheets, and it's just a list of things to do, and it has a cat sitting on pillows with a little mouse next to it. I thought this was, again, absolutely adorable. So I picked it up. That's gonna be a common theme here, you guys. It's either Christmas related or it's sweet and cute. So the next product is, these are like sticky notes, and it has a big cat and a very cute like pug doggy. Is this a Boston Terrier or is this a pug? I don't know. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be, but it's adorable. I love it. Next is a letter and card set. I'm old-fashioned. I love writing letters. I love sending them in the mail. So this includes letter writing sheets, cards, envelopes, and stickers, and they are all within that sweet, cute theme. So we have like doggies and like just a whole bunch of adorable stuff. I got this during their Black Friday sale, which was like, what, 35% off? I wish it was like 40% off, but normal price, I'm not gonna lie, these things are a little bit expensive. If you're ordering internationally like I am, free shipping starts at $150. So I showed all these things vaguely in the Vlogmas week 1 video that I put up, but I didn't open these up, so now I am. These are adorable. I'm probably gonna use these as gifts for people just because I don't have room to display these in my house, unfortunately, but these are absolutely adorable. So the box is cute. It says Porcelain Cat, and on the side you have that same print from the sweet collection, and it says, add a touch of sweet style to your home or workplace. It's made with quality porcelain, but it's also made in China too. So this one is porcelain dog. So we have porcelain cat, porcelain dog. Let's open it up and see. I'm gonna try to open this as carefully as possible because it's a gift, you guys. This is porcelain cat. He's adorable. Let's see, porcelain dog. I don't remember. There's a couple different dogs in this collection, so I'm not sure. I think he's blue. So we have the doggy. How cute is he? Adorable. So here's porcelain cat, porcelain dog. Wow, I love them. So surprise, surprise, we're down to the 2 last big items. I can't tell. I haven't done the research even though I said I was in Vlogmas. I don't know if this is the medium or if this is the large because it's pretty big already, so I can't imagine how the large is if this is the medium. But this is a giant, what size is this? A6, A5, I don't know, planner, and it's in the sweet collection. I have an issue with planners. I'm gonna rant about this in Vlogmas week 2, but I don't know. I love them. They're adorable, and I kind of want to open it and see how it looks on the inside. It came in a cloth bag, which is cute. It is such beautiful quality. I love it, you guys. It is so cute. You can't even tell. I'm just gonna insert close up. This is absolutely adorable, you guys. Whoa, holy moly, I love it. So I knew it was too short of a haul. I have a couple more items. This is my Christmas organizer. Plan ahead for a calm festive season. This book is absolutely adorable. It has like different features. The only thing I don't like, and this wasn't described on the website, and this, I don't even think this was on the website in October or September, but there's a calendar on in the beginning, like a monthly calendar with a checklist. It says you should start early, so you should start by October. So there's an October thing, a whole October calendar, and then a November one, and then a December one. So obviously I picked mine up late, December 4th, but I didn't even see this on the website in October. Maybe I missed it, but to me, it kind of sucks because I can't use those pages because I got this the first week of December. So I don't know, I might try to save this for next year. It's a super cute book, but I just don't know. It's dated too, so I'm gonna see if I can put stickers on the actual numbers of these months and then make it correspond to something later. Like the ones on Etsy, like for people who use Erin Condren planners, like the date covers basically. I got a very cute, sweet pen. Features all the doggies. Once again, these pens are great, and I have their Christmas one still. They still have a bunch of ink left, so I like these. They're adorable. And then the last one is something I can't open up, so I'm gonna just insert a picture here of what it looks like. But it is a weekly planner version, like a softer version and smaller version of the planner I just showed you, the sweet one. And it comes in a very cute box. It says, find joys in the little things. This is $39.95 and it's valued at $49.80 because I think it comes with the pen and it comes with some bookmarks, I think. I don't know, I haven't seen it. Adorable. Why did I pick it up? I don't know. It was impulsive, but I'm gonna give it to someone. I just don't know who in my life actually uses planners. You know what I'm saying? Because I have a lot of planners and I don't always use them, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, that is it for this haul. Let me know what you guys think down below. Have you ever shopped at Kikki K? Do you like stationery? Do you like writing letters? Let me know down below. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. I think this is a little bit longer than normal and I really appreciate that. You're the best. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.